No, hello, I am Nutchuts. Welcome. We just hit 300K. Cracked. Oh, wait, someone here. Oh, that's you. Oh my God. Oh shit. Yeah, please, but I'm chilling here. Bruh. No, bruh, I got it. It's on me. Oh shit. Because I'm so out of breath, shame. I need to like exercise. Like shit, I need a belly boost right now. Hey! That's what I'm saying, brah. She must come and jump me, brah. She must make me do the push-ups. The push-ups and the bloody sit-ups and the push-ups, brah. I gotta do the push-ups. Jeremy, wah. If I'm gonna freak out because I left ping in Fortnite, right, to mark, and I keep clicking left ping, I'm on my freaking D-pad, and then it freaking puts it on single fire, and my gun's going. Okay. Like, what must I do with that?
Put money in the iPhone. Don't go that way. Go to your left. Go to your left. Go to your left.
How's this corner broken? I'm literally chilling here. Right here. Doot doot.
I'm gonna go to the loadout.
That's if we make it.
There's a car that.
Ah! Ah!
Get us hung down. We will settle the score.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
You're lying! How must I know it's gonna blow up? Just bit my tongue. I bit my cheek and I can't feel my cheek now. Oh my fuck. Well, that was. Think of my tooth. Oh, my game just crashed. No lie. It just shut its fat self. Oh, yeah, bro, I'm staring at my desktop screen. Just my scavenger. No, I'm going for it. It's my scavenger. I got it. He's on me. I got him. I'm scared to come out. I mean, I'm feeling bad as I'm scared to come outside. What's that? What's that sound? Oh hell. What's wrong with this earpiece? I don't understand. Has my ear gotten bigger? Is it stretched? Just doesn't want to stay in my ear. I have no idea why. Oh, thank you. Woo, she made my coffee. Look. Wait, you gotta see this. This is the best part when you drink with the cream. Okay, look what. Bruh, you didn't stir it! Bruh, the cream is almost nothing on my face and I can't like stir it in the coffee. But I saw my nose, bruh. What?
I was looking at your internet. I was like,
Yeah, so you're looking at mine because you're viewing me. Yeah, that's what I'm experiencing right now. My first match, I was just like chilling, like being all Janana, why are you dead? Oh my god, don't tell me you blew yourself up. I'm dead. Delana, you are something else. Was in Afrikaans praat jy mos nie nodige jammer te sien nie, jy vloek. Wag, ek nie verstaan nie. Wel, as jy Afrikaans praat, het jy mos nie nodig om jammer te sê nie as jy vloek. Ek nie verstaan. Please explain. Oh, jy moet sê ek mos nie sê askies nie. Ja, ek nie praat askies, bra. Maar Afrikaans is so delicious. Oh, is it askies? Oh, fuck, it is jammer. Oh, fuck, I'm dying. Linda, fuck. Wait, did someone gift that sub? Who's gifting a sub? Yo, Tash, gifted a... Ah! Yeah! 227! I knocked him! I fucking smacked him! Let's go up, I'm gonna push him. That was... Clip that! Clip that right now! Hey! The kilo. This thing nasty, yo, bro. But oh, I hit him! Ow! Oh my god, I hit that! Good to have you. Maria, this is not absolutely hilarious, lady. No funny. No funny lady must talk like this, and I know people they come into my stream and they don't know what the f is going on. They say, why is this lady talking like this? What the f going on? Something is not right. The voice chat is not matching up with the stream. And the way that she looks, it does not look right. You know what I'm saying? Ding ding. My armpit is very itchy right now. I must scratch. I must scratch the armpit. I cannot. Oh god. Oh my god. Someone clipped that. That was such a good shot. Oh my god. What? It won't shoot my gun! It's glitching. I'm gonna freak out. Chat, I'm gonna uninstall this game tonight. Tonight's the night you never see me back on COD Mobile again. I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna freak out. Woo! Right, okay, fixed it. It should be working now.